Hi, today we are going to solve this integral where we can see square root. Well, what we need to do here? We need to use substitution. X plus 9 equals to t squared. So now we need to obtain dx. D of x plus 9 equals to d of t squared, which gives us dx equals to 2t dt. And from here also we can see that x equals to t squared minus 9. So now let's rewrite our integral using t. So x plus 9 equals to t squared, and we need to write here square root of t squared, which gives us t. And x now is t squared minus 9, and dx equals to 2t dt. So here we have t, here we have t, and 2 I will write here. Then we can see that here we have t squared dt and divided by t squared minus 9. So now we should subtract, first of all, in our numerator 9, and then, of course, we need to add it. And it gives us this situation. We can divide this part and this part and obtain 1. Yes, this line divided by this one line gives us 1 plus 9 divided by t squared minus 9 dt. So now we can rewrite it and obtain two integrals. First integral gives us 2 dt, and then we'll obtain 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 dt t squared minus 9. And there is a formula, dx, integral of dx divided by x squared minus a squared, it's a number, which gives us 1 divided by 2a and multiplied by logarithm of absolute value, and in numerator here we will write x minus a, and here in denominator x plus a, of course, plus constant. So here we have this situation. Let's use our formula. Here we have 2t plus 18 multiplied by 1 divided by 2a. A here, 9 equals to 3 squared, so a is equal to 3. 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, then logarithm, and here we will write t minus 3, t plus 3 plus constant. Here we have 6, and we can obtain as a result 3. So let's now rewrite our answer using that t equals to square root of this line. So let's do it. 2 square root x plus 9 plus 3 logarithm of absolute value x plus 9 square root minus 3 and x plus 9 square root plus 3 plus constant from real numbers. That is the answer to our integral.